How's it going, guys? I want to say welcome to another video. Today I just want to give you guys a little update on CTFO. I know I haven't made a video on the company recently. Personally, I'm deep into the oil. I'm almost working on my second bottle, and I think the next time I'm gonna go 750. I'm at 500 milligrams right now. Honestly, it's helped me on the most on a more focused level. I have more energy overall, and even sometimes when I don't take it, and I know this is a fact for me because sometimes my eating habits are not where they should be. Sometimes I'm eating a lot of junk food, and that usually makes me sluggish, like most. But I still have a lot of energy. I'm not running off a lot of sleep, and I'm still focused, still have a lot of energy. So to me, it's helping me on that level as staying focused, um, with a lot of energy for a long period of time. As far as the business, I have personally been indulging in a lot of other stuff, music. I'm in school for music, so I haven't personally brought in a lot of people. I think my team is almost at 30, and I've only brought in three of them over the last. It's only been about like 2.5 to 3 weeks. I haven't been in CTFO that long, but I'm still getting some money. Like I tell you, this company is a overtime builder, so I haven't really showed a lot of my commissions, so to say, because it's not like wow, it's not amazing, but it's so over. I say a month, 2 months, depending how quick you bring people in CTFO. It's a 2 month process. Building a team. And like I said, I have 25 members, and I only brought in three of them. I'm still a senior director with the company. And I'll show you a little bit of what's going on. I'm finally back using my camera. So let me adjust a bit what's going on. Let me show you. Turn the brightness down for you. Alright, as you see, still a senior manager with the company. And I don't know if you see closely. There's people I don't even know, don't know where they came from, merging off and starting their own teams. As you see, for example, this lady went in. I haven't met her. I just gave her the same training I've had, and she went off and hit second level, has actives, brought in a free member, and they brought in 5 people, one active. It's crazy. That's why I love this company. Like I said, I brought in 3 people. And it just kept growing outside of me. I'm gonna actually kick this back up, make way more videos. As you know, that's one of my main ways I bring in my people is through videos. But as far as commissions, I usually don't show commissions, but I'll show you what the small build is, like you see right here. Small commissions, but most of these commissions are from my team. These aren't personal enrollments. These are all from my team. So I'm really just letting this add up. I'm not even taking it out. I think I made about $40. I think $40, but $40 that I have done no work. I made a few videos. That's it. I haven't took it offline. I haven't bought any paid advertisement, anything. Strictly YouTube, and I'm making money. As you see, a little bit of residual income, and I'm surprised how much money I'm actually making from levels down. Like, these aren't personal. Like, I'm not getting 20. These aren't results of 20% of sales. These are results of 4%, 8%. It goes down a little bit as you go down the levels. You get paid a little less, but it's still good to get paid on the efforts of others. So I'm amazed how much money I'm actually getting paid from teammates. So I'm kind of getting a feel for what's going on. Like as you see, I told you I have 25 members, only bring in 3 of them, and I'm getting paid on members that other members bring in too. That's why I love multi-level or matrix type companies. But switch up. Sorry about that. But yeah, like I say, this company is crazy. CTFO has been amazing. Like I said, sometimes I do professional videos. Sometimes I just let it go. But yeah, guys, it's a CBD based company. If you know nothing about CBD hemp, it has a lot of medicinal benefits. I can't say it cures anything. Can't say it'll fix anything, but it helps with a lot of things such as seizures, headaches, migraines. It helps encourage weight loss, more serious things like PTSD, um, heart issues, and the list goes on. You know, it's a natural healing um, thing that's been put on this earth. Like I said, I can't say uh, it cures or will get rid of anything, but it helps with a lot of things that a lot of people deal with on a day-to-day basis. And it's a large market of people looking for something to help pain and other uncomfortable situations. And that's why I got into this company, not so to say, wow, it's flashy money, not so to say I'm going to be a 6-figure earner with this specific company, but it helps people, and I want to have something to offer, that's going to actually help people get through life, so to say, make money for life. You got to be healthy to spend your money and actually enjoy life. So that's the whole idea of getting involved with this company. I'll leave all my information below. I hope this video isn't too long. You're going to fill out your email. You're going to go to another presentation video. It's a little lengthy, not too long, not 30 minutes, not an hour. But it's going to be a nice presentation that's going to break down everything for those who want to come in, get active, and get paid on their team. If you want to come in for free and only get paid 20% on customers, you can fill out your information, get started for free. You don't have to buy a product. But those who want to be a product of the product and actually be involved in something they're selling, fill out your information, get active. It'll explain everything to you, the different products we have. And I hope to see you on the other side. I'll leave my contact information below, as well as any other thing I'm involved with or that helps me with my current business. And I hope to see you on the other side, like I said.